Hello guys, welcome back with me Potato Roboto. Today I'll be doing another review and unboxing for Funko Pop Overwatch Halloween Edition. This time it's a Witch Mercy. And as you can see, this is actually a Blizzard exclusive. You can only get it from the Blizzard store. And it's number 411, so it's different as the normal Mercy Funko Pop. You can also notice that they are using different art. So usually Funko use the same Mercy art, the default one, but with a different figure, but this time it's not. So this is actually the Witch Mercy, and this is the side. It's standard. You can see half of the figure and also half of the head. This is the back side. It shows the other characters from Funko Overwatch Wave, and this is also the right side. It shows the full art for the Witch Mercy Funko Pop. Now, without further ado, I'll just open this and we'll get a closer look. Okay. So it's, as usual, I really want to make sure that I don't break anything. Oh no. Okay. Yep. Slowly. There we go. As usual, there's the plastic cover. Pull this out. And yeah, well, there's actually a stand comes with it, but I will leave that for now because we want to get a closer look of the figure. So this is Witch Mercy. You can notice that this is not a bubble head. As usual, Funko Pop Overwatch is not a bubble head, it's just a standard pop figure. And this is the detail of her costume. FYI, Witch Mercy is actually a skin that comes as a Halloween event in the Overwatch games. So usually during Halloween, Overwatch conducted an event and you can get this skin. And to be honest, I can say that this is one of the best Mercy skins currently. You can notice also that the pose is different with the regular default Funko Pop Mercy. This one, she is sitting on her Caduceus stuff, which transforms into a flying broomstick. So this is really nice. You can see the details. See the details of her witchcraft book, and also the details of her suits. Well, a bit mispaint over here, which is okay. This side, this is for the wings. It's also really nice. Oh, this is not really nice actually. Hopefully I can find a way to fix this one, but luckily it's on the back, so if I put it in front like this, it doesn't really notice. And this is her hat, also nice. It's looks like it's straight coming out from the video game itself. Now this is a bit rough here. Oh, you can clean it just by wiping your finger over there. This is even the boots itself is really detailed. So detailed is always one thing to be considered in the Funko Pop figure. See, this is the lower part of the boots. It's really nice also. Funko considered to make a beautiful mold over here. The mold is okay, but the paint is a slight miss, so it's forgivable. This is her Caduceus stuff. So that's it. That's for the Mercy Funko Pop figure, Witch Mercy, I mean. And I will put it into the stand now. This comes with this stand, so you can just put Mercy in the back. Yeah, there's a slot over there, so you can just plug in over there, which is always a nice addition by Funko. So you can give the feel that Mercy is actually flying. So that's it. My unboxing and review for Funko Pop Witch Mercy. I find it is an incredible figure, and I hope that Funko team up with Blizzard will keep releasing the Halloween version for Overwatch characters, because I would love to collect them all. And what do you guys think? Do you find this video interesting? If so, then hit likes and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, Potato Roboto signing off. Bye bye.